Why is your CSS styling the wrong elements, even when your code looks correct? You write a simple style, but suddenly all elements change. Today, I shall show you a powerful CSS trick, the Child Selector, that helps you control exactly what you want. And don't worry, we'll learn it with super easy examples. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are learning CSS Child Selector. In simple words, it helps you select only direct children of an element, not everything inside. Let's understand step by step. The CSS Child Selector uses this symbol called greater than. In CSS, its syntax is like,
this syntax means select only the child element that is directly inside the parent. Now, look at this example. The paragraph becomes red because P element is directly inside div element. Now, we change HTML. You can see CSS does not work here because our CSS syntax says color the P element that is directly inside the div element. But here, P is not directly child of div element. It is inside section. Now, let me change CSS syntax. Just remove this symbol. Now, this selects all P elements inside div, whether it is directly inside div or not. This symbol applies only to the element located directly inside the parent.
now have a look at this example of nested list. Here, we goal to color the child li. This is very useful in menus. You can use Child Selector when you want strict control, you do not want nested elements affected, you are styling menus, layouts, components. Beginners make mistake. They use, but they actually need. You should always check, is it direct child or nested? So today you learned Child Selector. Difference from Descendant and Child Selector? Comment below, Child Selector is easy if you understood. Like, share, and subscribe for more simple coding videos. See you in the next video. Goodbye.